Happy birthday to you too. Happy birthday to you too. Happy birthday, dear Harvey. Happy birthday to you.
We'll see a little bit.
In 1.8 miles, take a slight right turn.
All right, Gary.
Yep.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Yep. Yep, I see it. All right, so we are. I thought about it. I said, you know what? You all probably want to see a little bit of Little Rock. Like I said, I don't know anything about it outside of its location.
And it's the capital of Arkansas.
Yeah, so this just must be this side of town. Particular. Do any of you guys live, or gals, do y'all live here or somewhere in the area? We got off at exit 139A, headed to the state fairgrounds. We got our good friends Denise and Gary behind us, as y'all see.
Yes, they managed to hang in there.
Yep. Something in the road there. Sorry, don't you come out here. So this is probably an older part of Little Rock. Like I'm looking at all the type of houses. It's very old. Like you see, like, oh, like look at that. That's pretty.
That is nice.
I like it. You know, I love those older colonial looking homes, you know, the Victorian. Okay, so the fairgrounds is actually off this road.
Oh,
This
okay.
is Roosevelt. Okay, now the houses are definitely turning. But you can tell that this is definitely an older part of the city.
Uh-huh. Here comes Gary.
Hi. Yes, on this side. What was he saying to me?
I thought he said car. I don't know. There's the sign up on the left.
Yep, Fairground Park.
The sign.
Yeah, but
Yep.
so what? Am I going?
I guess so.
Yeah. Why is it? It was trying to take me on the other side.
Take a
It
slight
sure
right
was.
turn. Then arrive at your destination
Yeah, where was it taking me? Oh, to the parking lot. The parking is over there, so that's why.
Gotcha.
Right. Oh, okay. Thank you. It's nice of them.
It was very nice of them.
No, ma'am.
What's she at?
Wristband. I think it's $20.
Oh.
Well, it'll be 20 each. You have the cash, right?
I sure do.
No, sir. We gotta get some.
See that guy standing down there? It's a little
Yes.
bit down there. Go for you.
All
All right. Thank you. Oh wow! Look at all the RVs and stuff here too.
Wow.
Oh, main gate for motorcycles is here. Okay.
Thank you. You know I love the VIP treatment.
Shoot, yeah. We just got off the road. The GPS was taking me to the other side. I said the GPS was taking us to the other side. Had to use my eyes. Uh-huh. Wow.
Hi there.
How much? Okay. Yes, ma'am. How are you? Hot. We just got off the road. We're coming from Lexington, Kentucky. Yeah, almost 600 miles today. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. All right. Yep, that'll do it. Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
For the whole weekend.
Okay. All righty.
It's whatever. Alrighty then.
And all of the festivities happen right here every day? Okay. Okay. And we just park anywhere we find? Okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
They on their way to
Florida.
Yeah, they went out of 9 month one because we've been trying to plan that trip forever today. But my club,
Yeah.
I gotta follow my club because they said they was coming here.
Absolutely, absolutely. And we're trying to figure out some place to park right now, and then we'll come back and holler at y'all and stuff. All right, brother. Good to see you.
Oh man, I see.
Yes, sir.
Good to see you.
All right.
Can't take you nowhere.
Let's see. I'm looking for Pinky and him.
They had a trike, but I can't remember what type.
Yep, Harley truck. Hey there. That ain't it. They had an older one.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah.
It is hot, hot, hot.
Hey guys, Dr. Young Gunn here, and if you like this video so far, take 1 second to hit that like button down there and hit that subscribe button. That allows me to continue to produce awesome videos like this. Thank you so much for your support. God bless you all, and continue to enjoy the video.
See a lot of bikes and a whole lot of trailers. And even more money.
Okay. Yep. Wow, it's a long way down. Hold on. I'm not gonna take no chances. I'm a move. Y'all stay right here. Right here? Okay. That may be, okay. That ground was so uneven over there. She was saying this is a fire lane, or where I guess for a road. I'm just gonna come behind the area. Come right here. Yeah. I feel a lot better. I do. My bullet brake in, bullet brake. There we go. Oh, God. My back went over the line. I'm gonna come up a little bit. That's automatic. Yes, sir.
Here we go again.
Hey, listen. We got 3 different bikes, but I'm gonna tell you, DCT.
I'm not trying to tell him.
He don't know what he don't know.
He got the manual.
Oh, you got the manual go with?
Right there.
Okay.
The black
Oh,
one.
very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
They offered me this one. They gave me this one in the beginning. And I said, no, man, that ain't what I told you. I walked away from it.
Really? It gotta be even.
I like that. I like that right there.
Yeah, I had listen. I can't do both of them. One of it.
Hey, you can at least rest that one leg.
Well, that's what Gary said. Gary said, really? He said, really? But at least you can. I said, nah. I said, see, if I do that, it's going to remind me that that was me.
You didn't forget it, did you?
Actually,
You weren't gonna
honestly,
forget
Miss Denise, after we left that station, I told Amelia, I'm not gonna talk about it, and I had to.
Yeah.
That was it.
That's why I didn't make any comments.
Yeah, right. Hey, it is what it is.
See, mine is hideaway.
What's up? What's going on? What's going on?
How you doing, Doc?
We doing good. We doing
Hey,
good.
girl.
Hello, pretty. How are you?
What's going on, brother?
What's going on, bro?
Good,
It's
good,
always
good.
a pleasure.
Absolutely.
What's up, sister? Long time, though.
Yeah. How you doing?
Hi.
Good to see you. Did I
Good.
see you down in Panama also?
Daytona?
Daytona? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, how you doing?
Pinky, our friend Gary and his wife Denise,
Hey, how you
they rode in. Pinky and her husband here, and we
That's the Pinky. Hello?
Okay.
yeah, that's where
Get your picture?
Huh?
Did you get your picture?
Amelia sent you that picture, remember?
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes, yes. You know what?
So you guys were here at the 49th Annual Roundup. We're celebrating Harvey for
Yeah,
65
yeah.
and Lene for 25.
Right.
Happy birthday to you too. Happy birthday to you too. Happy birthday, dear Harvey and Lene. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Yeah.
Y'all can eat dinner now.
It's like we came up just in time.
You got the real
Are you
deal.
cancer?
Everything over here, y'all can
Cancer? You a cancer?
I'm prehistoric. I'm prehistoric.
Prehistoric.
Let me open it.
Cancers are the best.
Are you a Cancer too?
Oh, man, you got
Oh,
Leos, we rule.
That's the good
My
stuff.
wife is a Leo.
That's my girl. Right.
I don't see no
Oh,
jungle
God.
around here at all.
We're in control, right?
Right.
I know.
Yes, y'all are.
Yeah.
That-